Mastering the phrase, pulled it off. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pulled it off, and how you can use it effectively in everyday conversation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, understanding common idioms can make a big difference. So, let's dive in. When someone says they pulled it off, they're telling us that they have successfully completed something that was challenging or seemed unlikely to succeed. This phrase is quite versatile and can be used in formal and informal settings alike. The phrase, pulled it off, is believed to come from the world of theater or magic, where performers would literally pull something away, like a curtain, to reveal a successful trick or performance. Today, it's a metaphor for achieving success against the odds. Let's look at how pulled it off is used in sentences. Everyone doubted her, but she pulled it off and delivered an amazing presentation. The team was behind, but they pulled it off with a last-minute goal. You can use pulled it off when you want to express admiration for someone's success, or to modestly speak about your own achievements. It's perfect for situations where there was doubt about the outcome. A common mistake is using pulled it off for simple tasks. Remember, this phrase is reserved for scenarios that involve overcoming significant challenges. And that's a wrap on pulled it off. Next time you achieve something remarkable, or you see someone else do it, you'll know exactly what to say. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.